Upgrading your home's windows may not be the first improvement that comes to mind, but for homeowners in Conshohocken, new windows can significantly boost property value while improving everyday comfort. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to make a smart long-term investment, window replacement offers one of the highest returns among home upgrades. Strong first impressions matter in a competitive real estate market like Conshohocken. Curb appeal plays a major role in how buyers perceive a home. Old, worn, or mismatched windows can make even a well-maintained house feel dated. New windows instantly modernize the exterior, giving your home a clean, updated appearance that attracts attention from the moment buyers pull up. Stylish window options such as double-hung, casement, or picture windows can enhance architectural character while complementing both historic and newer homes throughout the area. A strong first impression often leads to higher perceived value before buyers even step inside. Energy efficiency is a major selling point. Today's buyers are more energy conscious than ever. New windows with advanced insulation, low emissivity glass, and tight seals help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. In Conshohocken's mix of hot summers and cold winters, this translates to lower heating and cooling costs. Homes with energy-efficient upgrades are especially attractive because buyers know they'll save money after moving in. Reduced utility bills, fewer drafts, and improved indoor comfort all add measurable value that buyers are willing to pay for. Increased appraisal and resale value. Window replacement consistently ranks as one of the home improvements with a strong return on investment. Appraisers and buyers recognize new windows as a valuable upgrade because they improve function, efficiency, and appearance all at once. When selling your home, updated windows can help justify a higher asking price and reduce buyer objections during negotiations. Many buyers see new windows as a major expense they won't have to worry about, making your property more appealing compared to similar homes with older features. Improved comfort and livability. Home value isn't just about resale. It's also about how enjoyable the home is to live in. New windows reduce outside noise, eliminate drafts, and allow for better airflow. For Conshohocken homeowners near busy roads or rail lines, sound-reducing windows can be a major quality of life upgrade. Natural light is another important factor. Modern window designs maximize daylight, making rooms feel larger, brighter, and more welcoming. Homes that feel comfortable and inviting tend to leave a stronger impression on buyers and appraisers alike. Low maintenance is a big advantage. Older windows often require scraping, repainting, or frequent repairs. New vinyl or fiberglass windows are designed for durability and minimal upkeep, which is highly appealing to buyers who want a move-in-ready home. Features like tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning and weather-resistant materials reduce long-term maintenance costs. A home that promises fewer future headaches is inherently more valuable in the eyes of potential buyers. A smart investment for Conshohocken homeowners. Conshohocken's real estate market values homes that blend charm with modern efficiency. New windows strike that balance perfectly. They preserve the character of your home while delivering tangible upgrades that buyers care about: energy savings, comfort, style, and reliability. Whether you're preparing to list your home or planning to stay for years to come, replacing outdated windows is an investment that pays off. It enhances your daily living experience now and increases your home's market value later, making it a win on every level. If you're looking for a practical upgrade with lasting benefits, new windows are one of the smartest improvements you can make to your Conshohocken home.